OE comparable harness, no pigtail connector, for hassle-free installation. OE comparable mounting provisions ensure drop-in precise fitment. Rigorous and accelerated cycling tests to ensure product service quality and durability. Special coating on the lens surface prevents hazing and fading, ensuring proper illumination and operational safety. Meet or exceed .SAE standards with particular consideration for photometric and safety compliance. Due to precision design and exacting quality control standards, TYC replacement lamps meets SAE regulations, and are FMVSS 108 compliant. TYC NSF certified lamps further validates the quality through third-party, NSF certification. NSF certified lamps are accepted by many major insurance companies as acceptable replacement for original equipment parts. Each TYC replacement lamp has been manufactured with similar plastic materials as the original equipment and undergo rigorous testing to ensure that you, the vehicle owner, can use them safely both in day and night. Your vehicle's lamps are an essential part of your vehicle's safety features, and can mean the difference between getting into or avoiding an accident. Top reviews from the United States. Exact fit for 2008 Ford E350 Super Duty van, couldn't be better. This was the least expensive option on Amazon when I ordered a replacement tail lamp for our 2008 Ford E350 Super Duty van. I am very pleased. It was easy to install, was a perfect fit, looks just like the original, and exactly matches the existing left light, except it's clean. It even came with light bulbs and sockets that I did not need as the existing harness and lights fit perfectly. So now I have spare bulbs. Simply great.